Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download website database in JSON format using phpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in phpMyAdmin and we are going to download our website database in JSON format file. So you can apply this method for PHP website database or WordPress website database. Now you see table. On top you see export, so click on it. So we are in export section and then you see exporting table from this database and then you see export method, quick, custom, and then you see format. So we are going to select JSON. Now select drop down. Now you see JSON format. Now select and then click on export. Now you see file name .json format. Now you see and then you see save as type. So click on save. Now you see file save done. Now you see format.json. So in this way you can download website database in JSON format using phpMyAdmin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.